Hello everyone, in this video we'll show you how to install our aftermarket car radio for a Civic. We'll start by using a tool to take off the trim pieces on the both sides. After that, take apart the air conditioner panel using a tool and unplug the connections at the back. Now we'll use a screwdriver to remove the two screws. Next, remove the old radio and begin disconnecting the wires. Remove the wirings from the old radio here. These cables need to be unplugged by pressing the latch. Do the same for the rest of the cables. Let's move these white clips over from the old trim to the new one. For this step, use a tool to remove and be careful while doing it. Once you remove them successfully, put them onto the new radio frame. Just like this. Now, let's connect the car radio cables. Connect two USB cables here. Also connect the power cable. If your car comes with the backup camera, you'll need this cable. This backup camera cable, let's connect it here. There is an orange cable in the power cable that needs to be connected to the air conditioner cable. There is a blue cable in the power cable that also needs to be plugged in. These are the cables to be connected to the car. Now, let's connect the cables to the radio and also connect the air conditioner control cable. This is a CAN bus cable which needs to be connected here. RCA cable has a cooling fan power cable. And the RCA main plug needs to be connected here. Radio cable needs to be plugged here. Two USB cables need to be plugged here. You need to connect the 4-pin and 6-pin separately. This is a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antenna which needs to be connected here. Then connect two 4G cables and one GPS cable. Among them, the two 4G cables are installed here. And GPS is installed here. This is the right side camera connection cable. It needs to be connected to the CVBS in wire in the RCA cable. This backup camera cable needs to be connected here. After connecting all the cables, reinstall the car radio. After starting the engine, the vehicle will perform a self-check and remind you to check the doors. This car radio features support for knob-based volume control. It also supports air conditioning control. By activating sync, you can control the temperature on each side of the AC vents separately. Activate air conditioning with a single touch. It also supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Supports steering wheel controls. Supports local media playback. Supports online audio-video streaming, and it also supports DSD sound effect adjustment. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope you'll choose our product.